Hi, little one. Hi, Kyla. I just want to get this on vid. Oh, even Yummy Piss Face. Look at how handsome you are. Oh, man. Oh, my God. Oh. Oh. That is so. Oh, my God. Look at this beard. Oh, that's magnificent. Oh, my goodness. Thank you. Thank you. What's up, dudes? Little one. That was precious. Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm not gonna hurt you. What's up, homie? So you're a screamer, huh? Was that inappropriate? Ah, get him. How cute is this? Oh, Cosmo. Oh, that is awesome. Man. Yeah. My heavenly little creatures. What's up? Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, thank you. How can you not love that face? Hi, little one. My goodness, how are you? You sure are cute. Ma, good job. Thank you. Or whoever. No, that's your baby. Rightfully upset. That old goat. Everybody's just chill. Thank you, little one. Thank you. How precious is that? No. Hi, Carla. I love you too. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Are you preggers again? That's a good possibility, huh? But that handsome stud. What's up, buddy? Look at that mohawk you got going on there. And that beard. Oh my goodness, that is awesome. I can smell you from here, bro. That's just amazing. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, goodness. And you're taking a poop too? Thank you. You are magnificent, dude. Magnificent. Thank you. You're not even in my waist, though. Oh, it's a kitty cat. Coming to have fun with everybody. Yeah. Good stuff. Except for the chickens. Fuck them chickens. What's up, homie? Oh. Maybe you can piss on yourself and get yourself off, huh? Man. Oh, God. Kitty cats. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. You are a handsome feller. Man. All right. That's enough.